Language is the bedrock of our civilization. It's how we share ideas, tell stories, and build complex societies. But where did this extraordinary ability come from? How did humans develop the capacity for speech? The answer, it seems, might lie in our genes. For decades, scientists have been trying to unravel the mysteries of human language. They've studied the structure of our brains, the anatomy of our throats, and the complexities of grammar. But the origin of speech has remained an enigma. Recent discoveries, however, have started to shed light on this evolutionary puzzle. A single gene known as Nova1 has emerged as a crucial player in the story of human speech. This gene, and a tiny mutation within it, might hold the key to understanding how we learn to talk. To understand the significance of Nova1, we need to look back in time. Imagine our Homo sapiens ancestors living alongside Neanderthals. Neanderthals were intelligent and resourceful, capable of using tools and even creating art. Yet they seem to have lacked the sophisticated communication skills of Homo sapiens. What made us different? The answer might lie in our genes. While Neanderthals and Homo sapiens share a common ancestor, they evolved along different paths, accumulating genetic variations that shaped their unique traits. One of these variations occurred in the Nova1 gene. This gene plays a vital role in the development of the brain, particularly the regions involved in language processing. And it's in this gene that scientists discovered a tiny change, a single mutation that sets Homo sapiens apart. The Nova1 gene acts as a conductor, orchestrating the activity of other genes involved in brain development. It ensures that these genes are switched on and off at the right time in the right cells to build a functional brain. But the mutation in the human version of Nova1 subtly altered its conducting pattern. This seemingly small change had a profound effect. It led to differences in the wiring and activity of brain regions associated with language processing, such as Broca's area and Wernicke's area. These areas are crucial for speech production and comprehension, respectively. Scientists believe that this subtle rewiring of the brain, driven by the Nova1 mutation, gave Homo sapiens a significant advantage in communication. It allowed them to develop more complex vocalizations, form words, and ultimately create language. To test this hypothesis, scientists conducted a fascinating experiment. They inserted the human version of Nova1 into mice, replacing the mouse version of the gene. Mice with the humanized Nova1 gene exhibited changes in their vocalizations, producing a wider range of ultrasonic sounds. While mice will never speak like humans, these changes in vocalization provided compelling evidence that the human Nova1 gene influenced the development of neural circuits involved in vocal communication. This experiment, while just at the beginning, opens a window into the evolutionary past. It suggests that a single gene mutation could have played a pivotal role in the emergence of human language. The story of Nova1 isn't just about a single gene, it's about the intricate interplay of genes, the brain, and the environment. It highlights how small changes in our genetic code can have a cascading effect on our biology, shaping who we are. The emergence of language driven by the Nova1 mutation had a profound impact on human evolution. It allowed us to communicate complex ideas, share knowledge, and cooperate in unprecedented ways. Language became the foundation for social bonding, cultural transmission, and the development of art, religion, and technology. It set in motion a cultural evolution that has shaped the course of human history. The The discovery of Nova 1's role in language also has implications for understanding language disorders. Scientists are now investigating whether variations in this gene might be linked to conditions like autism spectrum disorder and specific language impairment. These conditions often involve difficulties with communication and social interaction, and understanding the genetic underpinnings could lead to new diagnostic tools and therapeutic interventions. By unraveling the genetic basis of language, we gain a deeper appreciation for the complexity and fragility of this uniquely human faculty. The research on Nova 1 is still in its early stages, but it holds immense promise for the future. By studying this gene and its interactions with other genes, scientists hope to gain a more complete understanding of how language develops in the brain. This knowledge could lead to new therapies for language disorders, as well as insights into how to enhance language learning and communication in general. Imagine a future where we can overcome language barriers with ease, where communication disorders are a thing of the past, and where we can unlock the full potential of human language. The discovery of Nova 1 also prompts us to think beyond our own species. Could similar genes be involved in the communication systems of other animals? Could there be other intelligent beings out there, communicating in ways we can't even imagine? The universe is a vast and mysterious place, and the possibility of other forms of intelligence is both intriguing and humbling. The search for extraterrestrial life often focuses on finding planets with conditions suitable for life as we know it. But perhaps we should also be looking for signs of communication, for whispers in the cosmic void that might reveal the presence of other minds. The story of Nova 1 is a testament to the power of a single gene, a tiny change in our DNA that had a monumental impact on our species. It reminds us that we are the product of billions of years of evolution, shaped by forces both random and inevitable. Language is one of the most precious gifts of our evolutionary heritage. It allows us to connect with others, to share our thoughts and feelings, and to build a better future. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of language, we gain a deeper appreciation for the power of a word, the magic of a story, and the importance of communication in our lives.